Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But do you see the divorce between Entlembali and Black Coffee? Aishem, it has caused some quite concerns and gossip and talks across the country. Recently, Entle's mother posted something on her Instagram page saying that someone sent her this screenshot. But good luck to her. From where I am standing, I don't think she will win this, but let me wish her well. The person who said those words, it is Black Coffee's sister. She further on went on to reply to a fan saying that the fan must use their prayers for themselves because they might need them and not her. Welele. Now I wonder, where did Entle's mother get this? She stated that someone inboxed me this today. Wow, taking Entle Mbali. Angazi ukuthi ukhona kanjani. The only thing we know, God, the creator of heaven and earth, Nkosi, keep protecting my daughter. Icon. But because this looks like it is getting out of control. I mean, already the fans are fighting amongst themselves. Black Coffee's fans, they're saying that Entlembari did not deserve anything that she is going to get. Whereas Entlembali's fans, they're saying that she deserves it because she never cheated. But then she was actually made to actually divorce the husband because Black Coffee cheated. And during that, he made or created two human beings. Woo! I can literally feel my heart coming off my chest because what do you mean? But see, this is quite an interesting thing. Now the question is, what is Black Coffee's sister trying to imply by saying that Entlembali won't win this? Didn't she win the case already? I mean, she won the case, didn't she? So what is she implying? This it is indeed quite an interesting thing. And is she trying to be a big sister or a younger sister of some sort that is protecting her brother? Please do leave your comments down below. But see, this one deserves the talk. Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one. Bye.